Hey there, it's Kim. Welcome back. I am going to talk about screenshots today. There are a few different ways to do screenshots. I get so many questions about screenshots. People don't know the best way to do them. Well, I'm going to show you a couple. Right now, my favorite way is to use Snip Sketch. It is built into Windows. It's free. It's really easy to use. It's got some editing tools. It is missing one major function, which I'll describe later. But other than that, it's pretty good. So here you go. Let's get started. First, let's open up a web page. For parents out there, this is a great educational website. It's called ABCya. It's broken down by different grade levels. There's all sorts of different games, activities. It's educational. It's awesome. Anyways, so we're just going to do a screenshot. Anyways, let's go down here to your search box. Type in snip. When you click on this, you'll see the old snipping tool, which may look familiar to you. I'm going to show you that one too, just so you know the difference. So here it says, snipping tools moving. In a future update, snipping tool will be moving to a new home. Try improved features and snip like usual with Snip Sketch, or try the shortcut Windows logo key plus Shift plus S. So this is the old snipping tool. It's very simplistic, but it works. This is the one I like the best, but I'm gonna show you what this one does. Okay, so we click on New. The screen grays out, and then you just highlight what you want to screenshot. There we go, and it opens in a new page. It gives you a few little options. You can copy it. You can send it. You can use a pen to write on it. So it just gives you a couple different pens. Blue pen. And you write with your mouse. Here's a highlighter. You can highlight. It's just like a highlighter. You can see through it. See the background text through it. Here's an eraser. You can erase whatever you did. And this is to open it in Paint 3D to edit. So that's pretty much all you have. So, which is fine. For most people, it's probably fine. If all you want to do is capture it and save it, there you go. I'm not going to save it. So then now, let's type snip again. And Snip Sketch. This is the one I like. And this is the one I'm going to show you. So let's pin it first. So right mouse click, pin to taskbar. Okay, so now it's down here on the taskbar. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to open it up. And you notice it's got some more tools that the other one didn't have. So click on New. Let's just do the same thing. Let's just do a screenshot. Okay, so now it opens up just like the other. But it has a few more options. You can open one that you've already snipped and edit it. You can do undo, redo. This is it's like touch writing, I think it's called. Yeah, touch writing. If you have a touch screen, you can use that to write on the, image. I don't have a touch screen, so I can't do that. But here's a ballpoint pen. So not only does it give you more colors, you can also change the width. So let's make it a little bit thicker. There we go. And now let's just draw. There we go. So that's kind of cute. This is a pencil, same thing. Gives you some colors. And you can change the width. Click the little down arrow. Anyway, it's kind of fun. This is a highlighter, same as before, but it gives you more colors. And the width. You can just... Okay. The only thing is this eraser erases everything. So if you click eraser, it undoes everything that you did. Erase all ink. So it basically starts over. It's fine. This is cool. This is a measuring, it's a ruler. you use your mouse wheel to rotate this. So if you want it horizontal to measure something. So like this little sun thing is about 4 inches wide. If you want to go vertical, you just go down to 90 and you can drag it. So you just click inside and drag it around. It's nice because if you have something at a strange angle, I don't have anything here, like this is the A, you could measure the side of the A up here. So yeah, that's fun. And then we have, you can just drag it off the screen if it's in your way. And then you have the crop where you can just drag it in close into, if you want to like zoom in, or like you don't want that box, or maybe you just want these. So yeah, so anyways, then you just click enter after you're done cropping and it crops out the rest. So it's really easy to use. Here you can zoom in and out. Here you can zoom, save it, copy it, share it. Over here you can open with another program, you can print it, send feedback, settings. So we're going to open with Paint. You want to know why? Because here is the negative of Snip Sketch. There is no text tool. There's no way to type text onto this image inside of Snip Sketch. You have to go to another program, which is really sad because I like to type in little notes on the screenshots that I take, especially if I'm going to send them to someone, and you just can't do that on here. So hopefully they'll add that in a future release. But right now you have to open it in Paint or Paint 3D, or you can open any other photo editing software that you have. So just go in here and then click the text tool, click where you want your text. Maybe make it bigger. Let's make it white. Whatever. So then now you have your text. So it's just an extra step, but other than missing the text feature, I think Snip Sketch is really awesome. So yeah, so then now you save it from here and share it with whoever. So I'm not really going to save it, but so that's it. We're not going to save it. So we close that. Let's close that. Now there are some keyboard commands that will allow you to also do a screenshot, and it'll basically capture your entire screen. So look on your keyboard. They're in different places on different keyboards, but it's usually up by the function keys on the top. There's a print screen key. Hold down Alt and that print screen key, and now it's put this image into your clipboard. So let's say you open up Word. Scroll down, Word. Just open up a blank Word document and you hit Control V to paste, and it pastes your screenshot inside of Word. So now you can continue to whatever, I just typed that wrong, but you get the idea. So that's that. There's another way. I'll just leave this, I'll minimize this, we're going to go back in. So if you hit the Windows key and print screen, it also does a print screen, but it's no longer in your clipboard. Now it's going to be in your pictures folder. So you'll have to go into Insert and Picture on this device, go into Pictures, Screenshots, and there it is. Okay, so it got both my screens because I have two monitors, so you'll have to crop it. And so anyways, that's another way. So you see you have some options. Screenshots are very useful. What is this? I don't want to save it. They're very useful, and it's really a good thing to know how to do, especially in this day and age where everything's digital, you want to be able to send a screenshot. Even if you're having a problem with your computer and someone wants to help you, you could send them the screen and they can help them see exactly what your problem is. If you don't want to print something, sometimes when you go to print, like within a program, it won't come out the way it looks on the screen. So screenshots are really a very useful tool. And like I was talking about this ABC program, if you have kids, I know a lot of people are stuck at home right now with their children. Kids love this, and there's all sorts of fun activities in here. There's coloring sheets, there's little puzzles, they can learn how to practice typing, keyboard challenge. This is really a great site, so yeah. I don't work for them, they're not paying me, I just remembered it and I wanted to share. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click like, and I would also appreciate it if you would subscribe. And I'll see you next time.